So, I guess we have to explain inductive thinking.
Right, what is that anyway?
Oh, I thought you knew what it meant. Well, I do remember it had something to do with paying attention to the details.
Right, that's it. Pay attention to the details. And look for patterns. Look for the patterns in the details. The themes and big ideas.
Yes, the small things add up to the big things. That's inductive thinking.
And inductive thinking is like the reverse of deductive thinking. That's when you start with a big idea and then look for the small details to go with it. That works sometimes, but inductive thinking works best for reading stories and history because all you have to do is pay attention to the details.
Right, the details add up and connect to make the big idea. It's just that the small things all add up to the big thing. That's the inductive process.
And then look for the patterns and connections. Then summarize those and you're all set. And this works for more than just thinking about things. This is how to think about getting better at different skills. Like playing the guitar is all about a bunch of little skills that add up to being really good at guitar.
Right, it's just that the small things all add up to the big thing.
Absolutely. I think this even works for other subjects. Like doing art is all about the inductive process. You have to learn lots of little skills to get good at doing something like drawing a person or a horse. You have to learn how to draw eyes, and do shading, and do perspective.
All the little things add up to the big thing. That's the inductive process.
Or it's even true for writing. You need to come up with an idea, so you gather lots of little details and quotes and facts and then you look at them and look for patterns and hopefully you get your idea. And so you have your idea, but then you have to have all the little pieces of evidence to back it up. Like every paragraph you write needs to have some specific evidence to back up the idea. So you go back to all the little pieces you gathered and you plug those into your paragraphs to support your idea.
Again, it's just a simple case of the small things adding up to the big thing. That's the inductive process.
Or basketball. It's like basketball. To get really good at playing basketball, you need all the little things to come together. You have to get good at all the little skills, like being able to dribble and pivot and jump stop. And then things like pick and roll come after that.
Again, it's just a simple case of the small things adding up to the big thing. That's the inductive process.
So, this works for everything, huh?
I think so. Inductive thinking makes sense of everything.